Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys know me as Don Aslam. I'm a 700k funded trader, and today I'm going to be showing you a strategy that mathematically can't be beat. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's get straight into this strategy. Now this strategy is perfect for beginners, intermediate level. I mean, it doesn't matter what kind of experience you have, right? Now this strategy, I've been using it for a few years, and the reason is the break and retest strategy. And the reason I've been using it, guys, because trading is all about numbers, right? It's a numbers game. Now the break and retest, if you draw in the correct key levels, support resistance levels, supply and demand levels, whatever you want to call them, if you draw in the correct key levels and entries, taking the right opportunities, the risk to reward combined with the win rate is absolutely insane. I'm going to be showing you in something from my Discord community as well, what kind of results I've been getting, other students. Now it's absolutely insane. I mean, if you look at this one here, guys, a 6 pip, I'm going to be using Euro USD for the example. It's a zero spread pair, 6 pips, and as you can see here, 1 to 8 almost. I mean, this one, of course, I got marked a few of the losses, but if you even look at this one here, guys, I want to give the market the benefit of the doubt by giving 10% drawdown. I'm gonna be adding it on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just act like we're 14% in drawdown. I've already marked out the key levels. In my previous video, I've shown a little bit on how to mark those levels. Now, I mean, if you look at this 1 to 6. And if you notice, guys, I'm keeping my stop loss pretty much exactly the same. I have a fixed stop loss. I have a fixed TP here. 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6. With this one, 1 to 6 as well. I mean, so think about it. Numbers wise, do these losses even matter? I mean, I personally trade oil. Oil gives me a 1 to 8 opportunity. If I just show you, I'm just showing some of the results, guys. Now if I just that was in the elite mentorship, by the way, guys. I offer a 1-to-1 mentorship. If you are interested, there will be a link in the video description. These are some of my winners that I gained yesterday. Just showing, as you can see, XTI USD, which is oil. Now with the, if I show you 1 to 8 hit clean, these are some of the other members. Some of these are the students that are in the elite mentorship. This is in front of, now we're about 865 members, growing sanely. We've only been open for a few months. Yeah, so it's insane, the growth. 1 to 6s, 1 to 7s, 1 to 8s. With oil, I used to trade GJ, which used to give me a 1 to 4, but then I thought, let me just try and look for a different trading instrument with more opportunity. Now Euro USD, this is also one of the currency pairs that my strategy works on. The break and retest, the one I'm showing on here, guys, is not the exact one I trade. Mine in the mentorship where I teach is more refined, has a much higher win rate. I've back tested this. I mean, even if I show you, this is for oil, guys. Now what you see in here, guys, in these in green numbers, I still need to add this for these ones, but these are the percentages gain that were up for grabs for that particular day. So yes, 9% in one day. I mean, this is me personally, this is why I'm able to pass. If you can see, there's videos of me passing phase 1, phase 2 in one day, even within 2-3 trades. But it's insane. Even for GJ, why am I showing this, right? I want to show that I didn't just wake up one day and become almost 700k plus funded, including the smaller account. But I've put in the hard work, right? I paid my dues. I mean, even one blue line to blue line, if you've already been watching my video, guys, you've seen this before. One blue line to blue line is 1 week. This is on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So if I just show you, I mean, this goes on and on. This is for GJ, guys. Now, I mean, even if I show you this, right, out of 10 trades, you got to look at it like this. GJ 1 to 4, let's flip the coin. Okay, let me just change the settings for this. Let's say, this is what I would say as well. Focus on your 10 trades, guys. Don't focus on the one that you're trading. Let's say I'm heads. Let's say GJ 1 to 4, 4 times 4, 16. Take away the 10%. I still walk away with saying, if I get 4 winners on oil though, which gives me pretty much a 1 to 8, 8, 16, 32. Take away the numbers. It's the numbers are insane, guys. 24%. It's insane. The opportunities. And this is the exact strategy. Like, I focus on key levels. I mean, even if you see some of the students, you can see they're just drawing lines, right? This game's all about key levels, and why this works mathematically is like, you want a strategy, guys, where it does have a good win rate or a decent one, but risk to reward, it's going to be the key player. That's why I never bother if someone says, oh, I've got 90% win rate. Well, if you got, it has to, the risk to reward it comes hand in hand, right? You can't have there's some traders, I don't want to mention any names. There was one trader who had a negative risk to reward and things just went totally sideways. You want a decent win rate, you want a decent size risk to reward. and with the break and retest, this is one method. I mean, let's just go straight into entries, right? So I want to keep this video nice, short and simple as well, not too long. I mean, even if you look at this guy, mark type levels here and clean break here, strong bullish candle, clean break. I mean, look, it's the simplicity as well, guys. Like I mentioned, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate level, it doesn't matter where, like what trading experience you have. Of course, like every strategy, like everything in life, you have to put the work in as well. But I mean, even if you look at the simplicity of this key levels, now look at this. Now this shows, guys, the accuracy of the key level. Now normally I don't draw these, but let me just remove this. Look how the candlesticks are respecting, like you can see this you know, this one respecting. This is a breakout. I just class it as a breakout. And where people now, you can, now there's two things that you can look at, the two ways you can look at this, guys. You can say it's consolidation, or the way I look at it is sometimes as well, breakout, breaks through again, break to the downside, break above. Now okay, of course you can look at the decisions being made. I just put a line there. So this is like a, how can I say this, resistance being formed, that has been formed. Price breaks above again, bullish candle here, strong bullish candle, long wick rejection. You could just take entry from here. How simple is that? None of this fair value gap stuff, none of this, you know, insane it's like, just why make things too complicated? And I think a lot of these people online do this. Why? Because they want you to buy courses off them, right? They want you to pay for a course, and then, you know, once they've got your money, you're never going to see them again. This is why exactly in my one-to-one mentorship, it's unlimited sessions as well. We do live group calls, and it's, you know, once you're in, you're in. But this is my way of selling. You know, if you don't want to join, that's totally fine as well. You know, trading is one of those things, guys, where of course you have to put the work in, but it's one of those as well that you are going to get tempted pretty much a lot of the time to quit. My advice would be, guys, stick to it long enough and you'll reap the rewards. It's all in good time. You know, I used to be one of those people where, you know, I used to work in KFC. I've done everything, door-to-door sales, you name it. I've done the security, I've done CCTV for the police. I've been about when it comes to work. When I came across this, I've traded SMC as well, other strategies, and when I came across the break and retest, I straight away instantly knew, yeah, this is something, you know, I can get the hang of. I'm not the smartest guy. If I was in the, you know, walked in the same room as you guys probably be smarter than, you know, but it is what it is. Simple strategy, you know, simple approach towards the markets, and that's what at the end of the day what you want. I mean, you can even, if you look at this one here, okay, we're on a smaller time frame, we're getting a break to the downside, multiple wick rejections on this key level here. What does this show? This shows the accuracy of the key level, that this key level, you know, was respected, but you're not going to win every single trade. Now, coming back to the numbers, guys, if you look at the numbers, like, I just say I even add, guy, another 20 losses, plus, so I'm in 20% drawdown, plus the 1, 2, 3, 23%. Okay, so let's do the maths now. Bearing in mind, guys, you have to have patience as well. I want to emphasize on this. I want to put a lot of, you know, you gotta, if you're taking, you know, sometimes your wins, a win might come after a bit of a while, and it is what it is, right? You can't force wins, you can't, you know, losses, you can force losses if you just get you know, go on tilt mode and you start over trading and over risking. My advice would be, guys, if you want to trade the most simple strategy out there, yet with a very strong edge, the break and retest one is by far the one I would definitely go with. If I was starting this whole thing all over again, if I had zero experience, the only thing I did know though, if I could filter out strategies, that's the only thing I would 100% come back to the break and retest. You know, it's without, you know, all I have to do is learn the key level. That's it. Support resistance levels, supply and demand levels, whatever you want to call them. That's all I need to know. That's insane, you know. And I mean, then what? Catching what? 1 to 6s, 1 to 7s. Okay, here 1 to 4s, 1 to 4.5. But that's even, you know, I was able to leave my 9 to 5, well, 12 to 12. I used to do 12-hour shifts. I was able to leave work just with that alone, with the catching 1 to 4s. With this, I'm posting my winners, as you can see. This was again, you know, 1 to 8 on oil. Oil's insane. Oil just tanks. Once it goes in one direction, it just flies. But yeah, if you want to, you know, we're going to keep this video nice, short and simple. Just want to show you a bit different approach towards the market. If you just got to think about a numbers game, guys, you know, don't be frustrated with your losses. And yeah, but if you are looking for even a one-to-one, guys, joining there is a, you know, amazing community. Trading is a very lonely space. But if you do want to join, guys, hit me up one-to-one. Join, the link will be in the video description. Yeah, just come direct message me one-to-one, and let's talk. I don't take on everyone. I don't take on beginners. I do ask a few questions. Pretty straightforward and simple though, to be honest. And yeah, but if you want to know, guys, let me know.